Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. So today I need to get into the pantry. There's probably a lot of stuff that is expired. Plus when I get off carnivore, I don't really want to go back to how I used to eat. Now there are still things I'm going to keep because Callan is doing carnivore, but he's still having potatoes, pasta, different things in here. But like I said, there's probably some expired stuff and I really need to get into it. So what I'm going to do is get into here and I might put some expired stuff on the countertop, first, which I have been eyeballing this for a while. It's the quinoa. I'm like scared to smell it. Oh yeah. Okay, so this now is going to go on the countertop. I want to see, I'm probably going to fill this whole thing and then I'm going to throw in the garbage because I do want to keep the containers. I will take off the labels. I do have a Cricut machine so I can actually make my own labels. So next, also I have like these pasta jars, which I do need to clean them. I need to wash them out. They look raggedy. I do have pasta on the bottom, which I got from Costco a while ago, and I'm just going to fill it up in here. But yeah, let's just get to it. I'm dreading it, especially this side. Marshmallows. Chicken rice, expired February 22. Don't know why I still have this. All right, another thing, I used to get this from Costco, the 3-bean chili, but since I've been on carnivore and really like looking at ingredients, so it is plant-based chorizo. One thing I saw, soy protein, soybean oil, where did I see you? Dextrose. Yeah, so that's about it, but still. And I don't see an expiration date on here. So yes, I do. I just found it. August 13, 2024. We're in October. No, we're in November. Tomorrow's November. Another one that expired. Lentils. This one expired in February. Okay. These are going garbage. These from Costco. The chicken breast is amazing. One thing that I like to have in basically a container like this is the Young Living protein shake. My husband loves this. So you need 1 scoop, and I have like a shaker, which yeah. I'm going to share with you guys what happened earlier today. My husband was going to work and he said that he wanted a shake and it exploded all over my countertop. I didn't make sure that the little lid was like sealed. Yeah, check it out. Hello everyone, I want to share with you how I make my husband's protein shake. I have a line here, it's just above the 8-cup mark. I am using the whole milk that I got from Costco. He loves this milk. And then all you need is 1 scoop of the chocolate protein shake. This is the shake from Young Living. He loves the chocolate. We do have a vanilla, but of course he does prefer the chocolate. And then all you gotta do is just put on the lid. It's got a little shaker ball inside. Shake it up and you got your protein shake. Okay, let's get back to it. This brown sugar has seen better days. All right, I'm gonna take these containers and put them in the sink so I can wash them. Nope. Okay, so that's kind of like, I looked at everything to see if there's anything else expired, which I don't, which is good. But I do need to refill some of the pastas. I need to go through my things here, which I'll show you right now. All right, so I grabbed all of these from the pantry. All of these are gonna go in the garbage. All right, so that's kind of it. I really just wanted to get everything out, look through it, sort it out, look and see what I'm gonna keep, because you saw I had like those bowls. I completely forgot about them because they were just stored in the back. But so, like I said, all of these, I'm going to empty out the containers, what I have here, wash them out, and store them for future use. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.